If you have not been using the trend trading strategy, then you are missing a lot because this is one of the best strategies which I have actually tried out. Okay, and of course, it has really improved trading activities, most especially for my community. And we've been doing this for about 2 years now, and we are really happy we are able to achieve this. And it actually helped us to trade for a very long time. So if you have been looking for a strategy that is consistent in giving you profitable trades on daily basis, then this is the strategy you should look out for, and I'm going to break it down right here in this video. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly now let me explain this better. Okay, so the trend trading strategy has to do with the trend. So the major thing here is you understanding how to use the trend. Okay, or probably let me put it in this way: you knowing how to identify the trend. Okay, if you are able to identify the trend, then you will be able to trade better. Okay, and of course, guys, it will also help you to have more confidence within the market if you truly understand how the trend trading strategy works. Okay, so most of the time when we discuss about trend trading strategy, people feel that once you are able to get the trend right, then definitely the trading activities will be very smooth, as in when it is on uptrend, it just goes straight like this. And of course, if it is on downtrend, you see it coming down like this. No, that is not how it works. This is how the trend usually happen. Okay, this is a very good example of how the trend works. Okay, so right here it got to the support zone and it is on uptrend. So it goes, there is a pullback, goes, there is a pullback, goes. Each time there is a pullback, okay, it will give you an opportunity to come in again. You can see at every pullback is an opportunity for you to place more order. And how do you know if the trend is still continuing? It is when it is breaking the structure. You can see it broke the structure at this point. Okay, when it is breaking the structure by moving above the last point. Okay, this is very important. This is another one. Okay, so each time that happens, it means that it's still on uptrend and it is still buying more. Okay, so that is how it works. Here is another good example for a downtrend. It goes down, have a pullback, goes down again, a pullback, then goes down. Okay, when you notice this, it simply means the market is on downtrend. And of course, each time there is a breakout from the structure, then definitely you should know the market is still on downtrend. And at every pullback, you have an opportunity to enter. So that is why I always tell people, once you miss an opportunity right from the beginning of the trend, wait for the pullback. Once there is a pullback, tap into it and see if there will be a breakout from the structure. And once there is a breakout from the structure, then it means that you are in for a very good trade. Okay, so that is it. Now back to what we have right here. So just the way we have seen this is GainX 1200. We're going to apply the same strategy on each of the assets that we'll be checking out today. This is GainX 1200 on 15 minutes time frame. This actually got to the resistance zone at this point and I gave us this signal. Okay, it switched into a downtrend. Okay, the reason why my reading will be very easy for me is because I already have my strategy coined out in my indicator. Okay, I've customized my indicator to make use of the trend trading strategy so I can easily see when the market is on downtrend and when it is on uptrend. For instance, right here it was on uptrend and it had been on uptrend for a very long time. And of course, when it got to this resistance zone, I knew that it has gotten to the resistance zone. So I was only waiting for one of the two things that can happen to happen. Okay, which are either there is a breakout or a switch in the direction of the trend. It was unable to break out, switch into a downtrend, but it didn't go too far before going back up. Okay, and of course, since it didn't break out from here, and of course, I'm already seeing double tops already, so I knew that it's going to sell from there and may likely break out from this support zone. So it switched into a downtrend and broke out from there and it sold. So you can see it. So that is how beautiful it is. Okay. So it came back, it came down, had a pullback, came down again, another pullback. Okay, you can see right there is another pullback, then came down and another pullback. So this time around, this pullback, because this has also gotten to the support zone also. Okay, so you can see this playing around there. It means this may likely go back up and break out from this structure, and this time around it will go. If that happens, then it is switching totally into an uptrend. Okay, so that is it. So this is trying to go fully into an uptrend right now. As you can see from the support zone, it gave us an uptrend signal, and we are hoping that it breaks out from this structure so that it can go fully into an uptrend. And if that happens, then it's going to be an uptrend like that. Okay, so let's keep our fingers crossed on gain X 1200 while we check it out to see what will come out from there. Now let's check out GainX 999. This is GainX 999. GainX 999 actually got to the resistance zone at this point and it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we can see it selling till it got to this particular spot. Okay, so it is still the same strategy. Came down, pull back, came down, pull back, came down, pull back, came down again, and it is still selling just the way you are saying it. At every pullback is also an opportunity to enter a trade. That is, if it is not getting so close to the next zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so that is that for GainX 999. Let's check out PayNext 1200. PayNext 1200 actually started an uptrend from this support zone and it broke out from the structure at this point, and you can see it going back up. Okay, there are little pullbacks in between these, but right here is a major one, pull back, and it went above this to break the structure, and it has gotten to this resistance zone again. So we are not really sure if this is a pullback. Okay, because right here is also a major resistance zone. If it goes back up and it breaks out from this structure, then it is still on uptrend, then definitely it's going to buy more. But if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then it will go back on full downtrend right from there. So this is very, very important. So let's check out GainX 999 also. For GainX 999, this has been on uptrend for a very long time. Right from here, it started the uptrend right from here, and there are major pullbacks in between, and of course, breakout of, BOS also happened in between. So which signifies that this is still majorly on uptrend. Okay, so and of course, you can see pullback, it broke out, pullback also broke out from here. So this is still buying at the moment because this is going to be more, it is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend, because as you can see, it's breaking out from the resistance zone again. So this is very, very important. So that is the power of trend trading strategy, most especially if you are having a trading tool like this. It will definitely help you to analyze better, because these are actually giving us an uptrend right from here, and of course it is still buying till now. Okay, it is still buying till now. So now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. For FX volume 80, it started a downtrend right from here, and you can see it played around there for a while, but check it out. It's sold till it got to this region before having this particular movement. Okay, so just the way we are saying this, okay. I remember last week I told you that this is giving us double tops, and of course, it's going to sell because this is giving us a kind of vibe, just like I always say. Okay, so it's going to sell, and check it out. It's sold. This would have given us a lot of profit. Just this signal alone led to this particular sell. Okay, so this is so huge and so amazing. So with this pullback, it has given a sell signal again. So we want to see if this is going to break the structure. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will lead into a big buy trend right from there. Okay, so that is how it works. So guys, the most important thing is for you to learn and understand the trend trading strategy. Once you are able to get this right, then you will definitely um be on the right track to make profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, so this is very very important, and if you have a trading tool like this that can easily help you to pick up different trend signals and of course trade signals, then you will be able to milk the market easily without any stress. Okay, because you will be able to analyze better. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love my content, kindly give me kindly subscribe to the channel right now. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Thank you.